Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Arthur, and today I want to show you how you can use multiple schema files using Prisma. So if we take a look at my IDE, we have a very simple schema file containing a user model and a post model. And of course I have my prisma.config file which is linked to the schema using this prisma/schema.prisma. Very simple. What if you want to have multiple schema files? But why would you want that? So basically, in one file, this is fine, but as the app grows, it is nicer to organize models by domain. Okay, so Prisma 7 supports multiple file schema, and so we will split user and post into separate files, but we keep everything working the same. But how we can do this? Basically, you take a look at your Prisma folder and the schema file, okay? What you want to do is create a new folder, which is called models. Then in this file, in this folder, so you're going to use this new file, Prisma, and we're going to create, of course, another one which is called post.prisma. Don't forget to use the .prisma. Then you have those two blank files. What you do, you take a look at that file and you just cut this, you copy paste that in the actual specific schema file, don't forget to save it, Prisma, and that's it. No error, nothing. It's automatically clean. Then you close everything. You can close your schema. What you want to do next step is to update the actual schema path, okay? And it is very simple. You just have to remove that and save. This is exactly the same as doing this, okay? And this is going to take everything inside the schema models file. You can remove this, okay? And now I want to show you that this is working. So what we're going to do is, so first of all, let me show you that we have this is the database that I created, okay? This is just an empty database. There is no schema push, no migration, nothing, okay? But we are going to do this. So I'm going to show you that this is working. Let's go back. Let's do our first migration. npx prisma migrate dev name init. We're going to call it init, okay? And I want you to take a look at, as you can see, in the Prisma folder, we have the folder that we created with the models, but we have at the same level the migration folder, okay? And we have also at the same level the main schema.prisma. This is important. We can push the DB, but it should be the same. Yeah, this is already synced. And now how you can take a look is, let's go back to this and let's refresh the database. Look at this, we have the migration and we have the post table and the user table. Of course, this is using the console, but I want to show you that you can use also npx Prisma Studio. And this is going to open the wonderful local studio application. And this is the same. You can take a look at all of your data. Okay. So this is how you can very easily organize a little bit better your application. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, on LinkedIn. We are very active. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. And I will see you soon for another video. Goodbye, everybody.